Born of responsibility, service in my veins. 65 years walking through the sunshine and the rain. Got a heart of gold beating, humble to the core. Standing up for humanity, that's what I was born for. Every single day I'm adding value to this world, especially for the broken, for the lost boy and girl. I'm a dangerous man at 65, fighting for the people, keeping hope alive. Love unconditionally, but I won't back down from the greedy and the vampires trying to take this town. I'm a superhero for the beautiful souls, dangerous man with righteous goals. My life like Jesus, protection is my creed. Stand against the darkness, plant a better seed. 7 deadly sinners and the power-hungry few. Feel the weight of justice when I'm coming after you. Without permission they just take and never give. I'll get in trouble if that's how the good must live. I'm a dangerous man at 65, fighting for the people, keeping hope alive. Love unconditionally, but I won't back down from the greedy and the vampires trying to take this town. I'm a superhero for the beautiful souls, dangerous man with righteous goals. Stripes flowing, freedom in my chest. Till my dying breath I'll give my very best. Trouble's necessary when evil's at the door. This old heart's still beating for what we're fighting for. Dangerous man, dangerous man. Dead with love as my weapon and service as my plan. Dangerous man. Whoa, dangerous man. Yeah, dangerous man. Dangerous man. 65.